Let's talk about AAVE. Some people call it AAVE, whatever you want to call it. It's sitting at $270 right now. And I've covered this coin previously. I'll go and check when was the last time I talked about it. Then I'll come back and I'll talk about its a bit long-term perspective. I will give you a bit of information what AAVE does if you don't know that already. And then we will talk about, of course, its short-term perspective. So last time we talked about AAVE was 10th of June. Today is 1st of July, so it's been 21 days. So we talked about AAVE 3 weeks ago. At that time, it was sitting at $290. So it has only gone down since then, unfortunately. And we had a support at $260 and we had a target at $400. Since then, let's see what the hell has happened with AAVE from 10th of June up till now. Well. 10th of June, where the hell are you? Okay. So at 10th of June, it went and hit the area of 325. And since then, it has gone and crashed all the way down towards 213. And now it is sitting at 270. So we're going to stick to the same old story. We are going to use the support area of 260. As long as 260 holds, we can expect it to shoot up. Of course, the first target being 300. And then later on, I can come back and I can share more updates. I mean, of course, in larger spectrum of case scenario, we will be aiming for $400 again, but my first area of interest is this psychological area of 300. If it captures that, stabilizes it, then we can expect it to continue with the upward journey. What do I mean by stabilizing? Go above $300, close 2 daily candles above it, that is stability. But if it is not able to live above 300, I think that AAVE is only going to continue with the downward journey. And we will get bearish if it loses 260. Then I would expect it to drop towards 200, not at 230. I would expect AAVE to continue with the bleeding. And of course, from 200, things are only going to get more nasty. It's going to get horrible because we will have a double top structure. You have one top. If it turns around and creates another top, this will be a double top structure. And then losing the area of $200 for more than 2 days will send AAVE all the way down towards 160. And that's pretty much it with AAVE. There is nothing else to talk about. From the perspective of long term, it is a very sensible project. It is a lending project, and I think when we talk about lending project in the space of DeFi, this is definitely a market leader. It's one of the best coins out there. But the problem with DeFi coins is that you can't expect them to do crazy returns. So if you're looking for 100 to 200% gains, this is your coin. But buy them when it crashes. The crash that we have seen with AAVE this year was towards $112. So buying here is sensible. It goes to 300, you do a 200% profit. But buying it at 270 for long term is a stupid decision. Buying here at current prices is awful. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment. And I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.